guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great 2021. Today I'm doing something I've never done on my channel before. I'm doing a lace front wig install, and I've only done this one time before, so this is like completely amateur, but I just wanted to show you guys what I do, where I got my hair, and what supplies I used, where I got that, the whole spiel. So this should be an interesting video. I've gotten into wigs like this past year. I mean, they're so fun. Who wouldn't want to, especially you guys know, like I shaved my head and my hair's really short now, so this is just really like kind of like a confidence boost for me. And yeah, I just want to show you guys my process. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. So here is my official before shot, guys. Yeah, back view. There you have it. So the first thing I did was get in the shower and wet my hair so that I would be able to slick it back and make my head as flat and smooth as possible for the wig cap to go on easily. I'm sure you know this, but most people will like braid their hair or do cornrows or something just to really get that hair out of the way for the wig cap and the hair and the wig. So I put some gel in it, some of that Garnier, or was it Herbal Essence? I don't even freaking know. I went ahead and I did my self tanner and gave my hair some time to like dry. Like I didn't want to put the wig cap on while my hair was sopping wet, obviously. So that's me in all my glory. Now you see my hair has had some time to dry, but I did use my Got2b glue to slick down the sides a little more. So I got these wig caps off of Amazon. I could not think of the word, but it turns out that the lace front I got came with its own wig cap. So I decided that I would use that one for today. So here's me just applying that to my head. That was pretty easy. I wanted to tuck all my hair in, let my ears out. So I was really not okay with how I looked at this point. I thought I looked so crazy, but next step, I took the Got2b glue and I put it all over the wig cap in front of my hairline where, you know, I want the wig to go. So I just put it all along there, and then I also made sure that I got down by my ears and my sideburns, which ended up being the most kind of difficult part. All right, next you will need a blow dryer. Apply heat, it just helps it dry and stick to your head. And that's how it looked after putting the glue on. So now I am in my room. Got my little ring light and everything. I have a pair of large kitchen scissors, kind of embarrassing, as well as little ones from a baby grooming kit. And now that the glue has dried, I'm hoping that the wig cap is going to stick and I can just cut off the excess. So the only part that wasn't sticking or staying down really was right by my ears or by my sideburn. So I went ahead and opened up this wig adhesive that I got off Amazon, and this was super sticky when it got on my fingers and stuff, but I tried to use that to hold down that area right there, that tricky area, and it wasn't working. So I went back to my Got2b glue, and ultimately I just packed that on, held it there for a little bit, and that was what ended up working the best. So as I was applying the doing the whole wig application process, I was also doing my makeup. So this is the NYX Cosmetics Marshmallow Primer. I will link my full review on this below, as well as the Loving Tan Self Tanner, guys. That's what I used earlier in the video when my hair was drying. So both those videos will be below for you to check out if you're interested. Yeah, that really helped with the blotchiness from the self tanner though, for real. So here is finally the wig itself. This is a 26-inch synthetic lace front. And as you can see, it does have built-in baby hairs, which is really good in my opinion, because I think that slicking down the baby hairs always helps the hair look more real and like it's really your hair on your head. So the next step was to kind of trim that lace on the wig itself. And there was also a kind of fasten kind of hook in the back of the wig at the bottom that most have, and that was a little bit difficult. I had some trouble getting it hooked, but once I did, it was good. It just helps tighten and secure the wig. So I went to start doing that. I realized, like, what the hell am I doing? And I pulled my wig back, applied the wig adhesive, and then I pulled the lace front back forward and stuck it on there. And this did stick really good all night. Like, it didn't come off until I really purposely took it off. But that glue was so sticky on my hands, y'all. And it's actually still in my hair today on my sideburns. Like, it is no joke. I don't know how I feel about it. So here's me just cutting the lace as best as I can around my new hairline that I've created with the lace front. Okay, if y'all hear my son playing in the background, I'm sorry. So yeah, this is a process. You know, you will get frustrated. This is only my second time doing it. So okay, so here is a very handy dandy little dual-sided tool that I got from a local hair store for only 99 cents, and I highly recommend this tool. It has the little brush on the end for brushing down baby hairs, and also this kind of sharp pick on the other end, and that's what I was using to help me get my hairs up. So yeah, I was trying to put my foundation on, and I had a spot on my forehead where there was glue from earlier, and I had to go stop what I was doing and go like scrub that off because that was not working. So the next step, and like kind of like the final step, is slicking down the baby hairs. Make this whole thing come together and look as realistic as possible. And this tool that I have right there is perfect for that. But if you don't have one, you could always use a toothbrush. However, I really do love that tool. The sharp end is so handy. It helps you part your hair and everything. All right, so got to be hair glue is the best. So convenient. All right, so I was having a little bit of trouble. I feel like nothing was easy about this, but I kept pushing on. The right side I had an easier time with. So that's how I use that tool to try and secure the baby hairs. And I ended up cutting some stuff because I was just having a hard time, as you can see. Oh gosh, practice makes perfect. Okay, I cannot find any peace and quiet in this house right now, but we're almost done. I'm just doing the finishing touches, and then I'm going to let the rest of the hair down, show you guys the final result. Here it is. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry if this was a train wreck. Please don't leave nasty comments because I never claimed to be a professional or to know what I was doing, even for that matter. So yeah, it looks so pretty. I just love the waves in it, the ombre. or the balayage, whatever you want to call it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel. And Happy New Year. I will see you next time. Bye.